Hi everybody, my name is Dave Marsh. I'd like to welcome you to this Matrix Quick Tip tutorial. And today we're going to take a look at how to quickly view your contact's onboarding process in OneHome. Now before I begin, I'd first like to mention that because each MLS has slightly different requirements, the system that we'll be using during this tutorial may differ slightly from the one that you're currently working with. Nevertheless, the functionality is the same, and for the most part, whatever you see during this tutorial, you'll easily recognize in your own system. Now, for anyone who's already familiar with OneHome, you already know that as part of their onboarding, your customer has the option of previewing and confirming each step of their buying and selling process. But as their agent, you're also able to view exactly which items have yet to be completed. To do this, you'll first need to navigate to your specific contacts management section in Matrix. And from here, you'll notice the OneHome planner chart shows exactly what percentage of their buying or selling process has been completed. But even more importantly, we're also able to see specifically which items are still outstanding simply by selecting the OneHome planner's list icon. All right, so the second part of our contacts onboarding is to determine how each listing they see measures up as a percentage against their ideal property. And they do this in OneHome simply by answering a series of targeted PropertyFit questions. But back in Matrix, you're also able to see their selected preferences. And you'll do this from within the OneHome PropertyFit panel. And again, these responses are used to determine the PropertyFit score that's associated with each of the listings shared with your contact in OneHome. All right, well, this concludes this Matrix Quick Tip tutorial. I'd like to thank you for watching and hope that you can join me for another session. Take care.